Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hikmatun Nadiro. I will explain about writing skill. Writing skill is one of the productive skills in mastering the language. Writing is the process of expressing ideas and feelings using a proper language. Synopsis is one of suitable writing material for higher level students because they can share their ideas, opinion, and response. Also, critic through synopsis writing for film or drama. Synopsis is a brief summary of overview. Morphology is scientific study about word structure and formation rule. Morphology relates to the construction of words and part of words. Morphology is the identification, analysis, and description or the structure of the word. Jadi, di sini keterampilan menulis adalah salah satu keterampilan produktif dalam menguasai bahasa. Menulis adalah proses mengekspresikan ide dan perasaan menggunakan bahasa yang tepat. Sinopsis adalah salah satu bahan penulis yang cocok untuk siswa tingkat yang lebih tinggi karena mereka dapat berbagi ide, pendapat, dan tanggapan mereka, juga kritik melalui penulisan sinopsis untuk film atau drama. Atau lebih tepatnya, sinopsis adalah ringkasan atau ikhtisar singkat. Sedangkan morfologi adalah studi ilmiah tentang struktur kata atau pembentukan sebuah kata. Morfologi merupakan identifikasi, analisis, juga deskripsi dari sebuah struktur kata. Terima kasih.
This study is descriptive qualitative research. In technique of analyzing the data, the researcher used the procedure of Brown, that is, error identification, error classification, and error explanation.
Finding and discussion. Based on surface strategy taxonomy, there are 4 types of error found in writing: omission, addition, misinformation, and misordering. This strategy will be explain morphological errors in English language in specific areas.
Morphological errors in omission. Omission error in sentence are caused by the absence of language elements that should be present in the sentence. Morphological errors at the omission level can lead to ambiguity of meaning in a sentence that interferes with the meaning of semantic level. Some example of morphological error in omission. The verse, Gil then reveals his plan to escape, jamming the tank's filter with a pebble. The correct morphological form is Gil reveals his plan to escape by jamming the tank's filter with a pebble. The second is Mbok Rini helps can only cry. The correct morphological form is Mbok Srini is helps and can only cry. The third, he grew up with his father, rarely with him because he busy with work. The correct morphological form is he grew up with his father, who rarely accompanied him because he was busy with work.
Morphological error in misinformation. Morphological error in misinformation is the construct sentence pattern with incorrect language unit can lead to incomplete information delivery. Incorrect sentence construction causes meaning that is not in accordance with the intent purpose of the author. Kesalahan morfologi dalam informasi, yaitu pola kalimat yang dibangun dengan satuan bahasa yang salah atau konstruksi kalimat yang salah menyebabkan pengiriman informasi atau makna tidak sesuai dengan tujuan yang dimaksud penulis. Example, morphological error in misinformation. First, and it makes Gary have to living wholly alone for forever. The correct morphological form, this condition makes Gary has to live wholly alone forever. Di sini kesalahannya pada kata and it seharusnya, yaitu menjadi this condition. Kemudian untuk for forever menjadi alone forever. Second, T-Rai is more concerned with its pitch business compared to taking care Lily. The correct morphological form, compared to taking care of Lily, T-Rai is more concerned with its pitch business. Di sini kesalahan letak penulisannya. Yang seharusnya compare, yang sebelumnya compare itu berada di tengah kalimat menjadi di awal kalimat. Third, but John's father's interest makes her interested and makes John shocked. The correct morphological form, but John's father makes her interested and makes John shocked. Di sini kesalahannya yaitu fathers menjadi father dan makes yang seharusnya menjadi makes. Seperti itu.
Morphological error in misordering. The incorrect placement of language elements in sentence conclusion can lead to misordering errors. Morphological error in misordering example, achieve wholly in any condition and never leaves wholly alone. The correct morphological form, he achieves wholly in any condition and never leaves her alone. Morphological errors in misordering example, John then returned to the military to be a special focus circuit and live with his father. The correct morphological form, then John returned to the military to be a special focus surgeon and partner with his father. Morphological error in misordering. As time come, the window X Timun must to run the forest her battle to change her fought begins. The correct morphological form, at the exam time, the window X Timun must to run to the forest where her battle to change her fate begins.
Okay, the next material about morphological error in addition. The addition error is morphological error caused by the use of language elements that are not actually needed in the sentence. Jadi morphological error in addition itu merupakan kalimat yang sebenarnya itu tidak membutuhkan lagi tambahan suatu kata, akan tetapi di situ memiliki kata tambahan. For the example is morphological error in addition. And have you ever feel how does it feel if that person that you really love? Dan pembenarannya, the correct morphological error form is have you ever felt how was your beloved man's feeling? Dalam kata tersebut menghilangkan adanya kata n yang merupakan yang akan dijadikan ke dalam pertanyaan.
Next is conclusion, and in this research we can conclude that there is still a morphological error in student film synopsis written, and those errors appear in omission, misinformation, and those are lead to the confusion of the sentence. That's all presentation from my group. If you wanna give us questions, just leave a comment and we will try to give you the best answer. At last, thank you.